Welcome, A1 level English students, to our exciting Phrasal Verbs class. We are delighted to have you here. Throughout this lesson, we encourage you to pay attention to every activity and segment of our video. Please remember that subscribing to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and liking the video will help us continue providing you with high-quality educational content. Are you ready to start our class? Let's get started.
Everyday actions. Directed practice for A1 level English students. Instructions. Take notes on the definitions according to each image and phrasal verbs. Explanation. Wake up. Definition. Means to wake up. Other definitions. Be aware of something, begin to realize reality. The act of stopping sleeping and starting to be awake. Turn on. Definition. It means to activate or turn on a device or switch. Other definitions. Turn on or start. Activate a device. Connect an appliance to make it start functioning. Switch on or turn on something, like a light or an appliance. Turn off. Definition. Deactivate a device or system. Other definitions. Turn off a device. Stop the flow of energy to a device. Come back. Definition. Means to return or go back to a place or situation. Other definitions. Going back to the place of origin. Overcoming a difficulty or illness. Sit down. Definition. Means to take a seat, adopting a position where the body is supported on a surface. Other definitions. Take a seat to rest or relax. Take a seat around a table or at a designated place to participate in a meeting or event. Stand up. Definition. Stand up from a seated position. Other definitions. Stand up as a sign of respect or attention. Look at. Definition. Means to direct one's gaze towards something or someone. Other definitions. Direct attention towards an object or person to gain visual information. Examine something or someone carefully. Go out. Definition. It is to leave or depart from a place, especially for recreational or social activities. Other definitions. It is going out on a date or social gathering with someone, like going to dinner or an event. Clean up. Definition. Means to clean or tidy up an area by removing dirt, clutter, or unwanted items. Other definitions. Organize and arrange a space, especially after an event or activity, to keep it in clean and orderly conditions. Put on. Definition. It means to put on clothing or accessories, typically as part of the dressing process. Other definitions. Apply or put on a layer of something, such as makeup, sunscreen, etc. If you want to access our premium educational content, go to the link provided in the video description. Premium content on Patreon. The link to access is below in the video description. Let's start with the first activity. Complete the activity by filling in the blanks with the correct word. Wake up. Turn on. Turn off. Come back. Sit down. Stand up. Look at. Go out. Clean up. Put on. Every morning, when my alarm rings. Before you leave the room, make sure to the lights. Before watching the movie, make sure to the television. After the movie, we decided to for a snack. Please and make yourself comfortable during the presentation. During the meeting, remember to if you have any questions. Always the door before leaving the house. After the party, it's essential to and tidy up the place. When you be sure to look both ways before crossing the street. Before heading out, remember to your jacket, it's cold outside. Let's start with the second activity. Instructions. Read the story carefully and observe how the phrasal verbs are applied. Sarah's daily routine. Every day, Sarah's alarm clock rings at 7 a.m., prompting her to wake up with a burst of energy. She stretches and yawns before deciding to turn on her favorite upbeat music to start the day on a positive note. As she enjoys her morning tunes, Sarah decides to look at the weather forecast. Excited about the sunny day ahead, she quickly gets dressed and puts on her comfortable sneakers. Ready to embrace the day, she grabs her backpack and goes out for a refreshing jog in the nearby park. After her morning exercise, Sarah returns home to clean up and get ready for work. She turns off the music and turns on her laptop to check her schedule. While working, she realizes she forgot to sit down for breakfast. She grabs a quick bite and then stands up to continue her tasks. Later in the evening, Sarah decides to go out for dinner with friends. They choose a cozy restaurant, and as they chat and laugh, Sarah can't help but think about how wonderful it is to come back to a home filled with positive vibes. Answers to the first activity. Complete the activity by filling in the blanks with the correct word. Wake up. Turn on. Turn off. Come back. Sit down. Stand up. Look at. Go out. Clean up. Put on. Every morning, I wake up when my alarm rings. Before you leave the room, make sure to turn off the lights. Before watching the movie, make sure to turn on the television. After the movie, we decided to go out for a snack. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable during the presentation. During the meeting, remember to stand up if you have any questions. Always look at the door before leaving the house. After the party, it's essential to clean up and tidy up the place. When you come back, be sure to look both ways before crossing the street. Before heading out, remember to put on your jacket, it's cold outside.
Thank you, A1 level English students, for joining our Phrasal Verbs class. We hope it has been helpful for your learning journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us create more quality educational content. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next class. Bye.